What's Web 3.0? Let's talk about it. Yo, what's up YouTube? This is Dan, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, I like to talk about polyglot journey, digital communication, and anything related. Again, here we are on my Twitch stream, link in the description, and let's go ahead and talk about Web 3.0. This is something that's been a buzzword, it's been tossed around. I have 3 talking points. The first one being Web 2.0. Let's start with that. Let's start with some history. Second talking point, blockchain technology and crypto. And third talking point, decentralization. All right. So, as usual, before we jump right into the talking points, Web 3.0, once again, buzzword that's been out on Twitter, all the social media, the news, etc. Now, we don't have to be software developers or people that are super advanced in tech to be able to at least get a grasp of this concept. And now we'll say me, I've got some idea of what it is. Do we know if this is something that is completely defined, just like the metaverse? The concept is there, but is there something that we can refer to, something we can hold on to be able to all come together on the definition? We will see, and that's what we want to talk about right here. MetaDann on YouTube or on Twitch. So let's get right into it. First talking point, history, Web 2.0. Now, Web 2.0 is a buzzword that I heard, let's say back around 2012-ish, once again, 10 years ago, or on the same time that we were talking about digital nomads, or on the same time that we were talking about Web 2.0. And from what I understood then, actually, from what I understand now, Web 2.0 is all the social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Social media platforms that were built on top of the already existing infrastructure, such as web pages. So do you all remember when Facebook was just a website? You were able to access only through the website, not yet through an app on your phone. Yes, it seems kind of odd because even for me, I can only imagine using Facebook on the phone. Always. And of course, the web page was always there, but then the web page was the only way to access it. So I guess Web 1.0, more of an infrastructural thing. I'm not going to get into that right now. Web 2.0 is the social networks. All right, second talking point, blockchain technology and crypto. When we say crypto, once again, crypto does not just refer to cryptocurrencies or cryptocurrency or whatever the correct way of saying it is. It's not just about Bitcoin, Ethereum, about the financial side of crypto. There's more to it than that. And at the heart of crypto, or at least a really important element of crypto, is blockchain technology. And whatever runs on the blockchain, whatever things are built on the blockchain, that is what I'm sensing is Web 3.0. It's going to be a very critical element for it to exist on the blockchain and not on anything else. Now, one thing that I have been hearing lately is that there's going to be several blockchains. That is something that kind of, I thought I understood blockchain. And then when I hear that there's different blockchains, it just made me feel like as if I don't get this stuff. So once again, if you're watching this, and you're barely able to keep up, well, I'm barely understanding this as well. But hey, that does not mean that we can't talk about it. It doesn't mean that we can't start having a dialogue so that we can all talk about this and have an understanding, or at least try to get a good grasp of where this is going. And third talking point to finish this up, decentralization. Now, I think at the core of blockchain technology, and even at the core of the difference between Web 2.0 and Web 3.0 is decentralization. So let's talk about Web 2.0, big companies like Facebook, Google, etc., on their data centers, on their servers, collect all the information that we feed them that passes through. They collect this big data. That's centralization. Now, decentralization, on the other hand, is all that information, all the stuff that we pass on the internet being decentralized, meaning it's not going to Facebook, it's not going to Google, or at least it's not going to only Facebook or only Google, but rather it's going to the blockchain, or 2 blockchains, 3 blockchains. This is where I feel like I'm getting lost, but I know that my understanding is not so basic. I have some grasp of it. So this is Web 3.0 as far as I understand it right now. I definitely would like to talk more about it. This concludes tonight's video and the monologue for those of you that are on Twitch. Check out the description for my Twitch, and for those of you that are on Twitch, hashtag YouTube for the YouTube channel, and both go, YouTube and Twitch, by the same name of MetaDann. So let's keep the conversation going. Let's get the digital communication stuff going. And as far as Polyglot Journey goes, let's keep that going as well. Anyone on Twitch, remember, English, Spanish, Portuguese, welcome. Come by, say hi, let's chat. And yeah, thank you guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace. All right, guys, Twitch, y'all still with me?